Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to get audio ID in Roblox. So first up, you just need to log in with your Roblox account. Now here, click on the Create tab at the top. Once you click on the Create tab, you'll now directly go to Creators Hub. Now from here, go and select the Store button right there at the top. And then from this store, you want to go and find plugins, audio fonts. We have images, meshes, and videos. So from here, we're going to click on audio. And then just have to select the genre, vibes, or sound effects. For example, this one here. Now you can basically play the sound that you like. Then you just have to click on the drop down menu right here. And then click on more info. Then you will find the audio ID right there at the URL box. So just copy and paste. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.